A very beautiful morning to my lovely kids. How are you all? Good? I'm also good, beta. This is your mathematics class and I am your mathematics teacher. Our today's topic include place value, face value and expanded form of numbers. Although we have already done all these topics, but today we will include thousands place digit in our numbers. So let's learn by doing. Dear students, our today's topic is place value and face value. Each digit of a number has a place value and a face value. Yes, students, as we have already done, as we have already identified the numbers as per their places, so we know that each number has its own place value and we can identify the place value by identifying their places. But what is a face value? What we can identify by face value. See beta, we also have different faces. Your face is different, your siblings face is different, your father, your mother, your teacher, everyone has a different face. In the same manner, each digit and each number also has a different face, and we identify the face value by observing their face only. That's why the face value is not having any relation with the place of the digit. If I'll write 5, see beta, I have written a digit 5 over here. So if I'll write 5 at ones place, so its face value will be 5 only. If I write 5 at tens place, then also its face value will be 5 only. Why? Because its face is 5. If I write 5 at hundreds place, then also its face value will be 5 only. And if I write 5 at thousands place, then also its face value will be 5 only, because at every place the face of the digit is 5 only. So face value is being identified by looking at the face of the number. The place value of a digit depends on its place. For identifying the place value, we need to identify the place of the number. But for identifying the face value, the place of the number doesn't matter, as the face of the digit will remain same रिगार्डलेस ऑफ इट्स पोजीशन. चाहे उसकी पोजीशन, उसका प्लेस कोई भी हो, बट डिजिट का फेस हमेशा सेम रहता है. नाउ लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड इट बाय टेकिंग सम एग्जांपल्स. सी, वन नंबर इज रिटन ओवर हेयर 8345. So if I need to identify the place value of each digit, what I will do? First I will write their places on them. Like 5 is at ones place, 4 is at tens place, 3 is at hundreds place and 8 is at thousands place. Now beta, for ones place is having ones place digit, so we will multiply the digit by 1 for finding its place value. 5 is at ones place, so we will multiply it by 1 and 5 is the place value of 5. Now for 10, 4 is at tens place, so we will multiply 4 by 10. We will multiply the digit by its place. We will multiply 4 by 10 and 40 is the place value of 4. Now for 3, is it at hundreds place? So we will multiply 3 by 100 for getting its place value. So 3's place value is 300. Now 8 is at thousands place. So we will multiply 8 by 1000 to get its place value, and 8000 is the place value of 8. Now beta, see, for face value only we will observe the face of the digit. Here the face of the digit is 5. So face value of 5 is 5. Here the face of the digit is 4. So the face value of 4 is 4. Here the face value of the digit is 3. So the face value of 3 is 3. And here the face value of 8 is 8. So the face value of 8 is 8. After identifying the place value of the digits, we can easily expand them also. What is expanded form? Expanded form to write the number in the detailed form. So 8 is at thousands place. So first we will write 8,000. Then we will put a sign of addition. Then 3 is at hundreds place, so we will write 300. Then we will put a sign of addition. Then 4 is at tens place, so we will write 40 and then we will put a sign of addition. And then 5 is at ones place, so we will write 5. So by identifying the places of the number, we can easily expand them and write their expanded form. Now let's do activity 3. Dear kids, this is our activity 3. The question is asking, write the face value, place and place value of the colored digits. The digit which is colored, we need to identify its face value, place and place value. Now see, 7 is colored here. I told you that for face value, we need to look at the face of the digit. Now face of the digit is 7. So face value will be 7 only. Now at what place it is? We will write places over it. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Now the colored digit is at hundreds place. So the place is hundreds. Now what will be the place value? The digit is 7 and it is at hundreds place. So we will do 7 multiply by 100 and it is 700. Now in B part beta, again we will write the places over the digits. Now the colored digit is 8. Now the face value of the digit will remain the same. The face value of the digit is 8. Now at what place it is? Ones. So we will write ones here. Now to identify the place value, at what place 8 is? 1. So we will multiply 8 with 1 and we will write 8 here. So place value of 8 is 8. Now in next part again beta, we will write the places. Yes. Now first of all we need to identify the face value. For identifying the face value of the digit, we need to look at the face. So the face of the digit is 9. So the face value will be 9. Now at what place it is? It is at thousands place. So the place will be thousands. Now dear students, please tell me, 9 is the digit and it is at thousands place. So how we will identify its place value? Yes, correct. We will multiply 9 with 1000. And what will be the answer? The answer will be yes, 9000. In the same manner students, you will do D, E and F part yourself. Now coming to the second question. The second question is asking, the numbers are written in expanded or short form. Complete the table. See beta, here numbers are written in the short form and here numbers need to be written in the expanded form. So if the number is written in the short form, we need to write it in expanded form, and if the number is written in the expanded form, we need to write it in short form. For this also beta, first of all we will write places over the digits. Now see, ones, tens, 100, 1000. 6 is 1000, so we will write 6000. Now sign of addition, 7 is at hundreds place, so 700. 8 is at tens place, so 80. 5 is at ones place, so 5. This is the expanded form. Now in B part we need to write short form. Again we will make places over here. Now see beta, 6 is at ones place, so we will write 6 here. 90, 9 is at tens place, so we will write 9 here. 200, that means 2 is at hundreds place, so we will write 2 here. And 4000, that means 4 is at thousands place, so we will write here 4. So we got our number, which is 4296. Now in the same manner beta, you will do C, D, E, F yourself. Now come to mental maths corner. What mental maths corner is saying? Yes beta, tell me the smallest 4-digit number is when we added 999 and 1. Yes, correct. The smallest 4-digit number is 1 and 3 zeros, which is 1000. Next, the place value of a digit dash 10 times as you move one place from right to left. Beta, the place value of a digit dash 10 times as you move one place from right to left. जब आप right से left पे जाते हो तो place value digit की 10 times क्या होती है? See, if I am at ones and I'll move to tens. So this is the right side and this is the left side. If I'll move from right to left. So earlier it was ones, now it is tens. So it increases 10 times. The greatest 4-digit number is, yes, 9999. Because the greatest digit is 1. So if we will write 4 times 9, so it is 9999. The sum of the place values of the digits of a number is the dash of the number. Yes beta, it means when we add numbers according to their place values, what this form is known as? This form is known as expanded form of the number. Expanded form of the number. Now second question, circle the correct answer. In which of the number 5000s, 300s and 2 ones are there? See, 2 ones. In this, ones is 0 and in this, ones is 2. So here 5000, 300s and 2 ones are there. So we will circle it. Now the place value of 5 in 3757 is, first of all, we will write the places on it. So what is the place value of 5? 5 tens, that means 50. Now 3570, which is 3570. Yes, this. Circle it. 4000 plus 600 plus 90. Where it is? Yes. Circle it. Now let's check what review exercise is saying. Write the colored words in numbers. You need to write down the colored words in numbers. There are 206 bones in our body. So how we will write 206? 206. Mount Everest is 8,848 meters high. So how we will write 8,848 and we will put comma after one period. Write the colored number in word. Now India got its freedom in the year 1947, means 1947. So we need to write in words 1947. Next is we spent rupees 2495 on our new school books this year. So we need to write this in words. See beta, I have written 2495. Now here is a puzzle for us. Find the number whose digit at the tens place is 7. Here see beta, one mystery is given over here. We need to identify the number. And for identifying the number, first of all, we will make places. Now it is saying tens place is 7. So we will write 7 at tens place. Now thousands place is 4 less than 10. 4 less than 10 will be 6. So we will write 6 here. Hundreds place is between 3 and 5. Which number come between 3 and 5? Yes, correct. It is 4. So we will write 4 at hundreds place. Ones place is 2 more than 6. Now what is 2 more than 6? It is 8. So we got our number 6478. So students, your homework is to complete activity 3, mental maths corner, and review exercise in your book. Thank you so much. Have a blissful day.